Hey guys, how's it going? Wanted to start a video today. I'm gonna do something my wife's been wanting done for a long time. We're gonna put in a clothesline. So not really much to it, you know, dig holes, set the posts, that kind of stuff. So, but anyway, we're gonna show you anyway. Make a video of it, and hopefully you enjoy. I'll get back with you in a minute. All right, got the posts set. They're 25 feet apart. I'm gonna let concrete set, and then I'm gonna be putting the arms on, then we'll be stretching the cables out, and we'll have a functioning clothesline for the wife. Of course, I'm gonna stain it, make it look nice, make it look like the fence posts and all, but I will show you a little bit more when I get a little bit more done. So I'll be right back with you. All right, well, I've got the tees made, and now I'm gonna stain them, and I'm gonna do that right now. All right, now they're painted, so gonna let them dry. I'll probably give it a second coat, and then we'll be stringing the line. So stay tuned, and we'll be back with you soon. All right, well, I've got it finished, and I wanted to show you the final project. What I've done here is I notched this 4x4 out here, just to where this would slide through there, and then I lag bolted it in two places. That way this will never, you know, turn or do anything like that. Never come off. Same with that end down there. And of course, you know, you've seen where we had, you know, we concreted these into the ground here. And then I use these things here to tighten up the strings. I also have a crimping tool, so I was able to just buy coated wire and crimp, you know, little circles here to go into these, and I'm able to tighten it when I need to, or loosen it, or whatever I may need to do. But anyway, wanted to show you the finished project. I know it ain't much, not very exciting, but something the wife really wanted, and so I figured if I was going to do it, might as well do it right and make it look good and make a video of it. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you on the next video.